Before you create another AI video on YouTube, you need to watch this video. A lot of YouTube channels are getting demonetized right now because of inauthentic content, reuse content, low effort content, repetitive AI voiceovers, and copied content. And a lot of small YouTubers, even big YouTubers, are panicking right now because they don't even know what YouTube wants right now. And after studying everything carefully, I realized something important, and that is why I'm making this video. You need to understand that AI is not even the problem. The real problem is lazy videos. People want to keep generating videos, uploading videos, 3 to 4 videos every day, without even minding whether it dishes out the core value of content creation, which is to educate, entertain, or inform. And I feel like the major problem is our AI coaches. One of the problem is shared scripts and shared prompts. I see a lot of people making videos and they will be like, if you want this exact prompt, check the description box. And over thousands of people, or even millions of people in most cases, that the videos go viral. Millions of people are using exact prompts, exact templates, and this is why every one of them gets hit with demonetization. Recently, a YouTube coach has been going on Twitter sharing about how YouTube demonetized 3 of his YouTube channels and he can no longer earn from them. And this is someone actually selling AI courses, teaching people how to create the same AI videos that he was demonetized for. YouTube does not have a problem with you teaching people what you know, but you need to get it right first. And before you buy any course from anybody, you need to make your own research. Don't just buy random courses to learn how to edit videos, to learn how to do anything. But you don't need to worry, I've done the homework for you and I'm here to give you the whole gist. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create AI videos the right way, using free AI tools, without triggering the YouTube inauthentic content policy. This is extremely important for faceless AI channels, important for AI content creators, YouTube automation channels, and anyone trying to grow on YouTube in 2026. Now, the first mistake a lot of people use is using different random AI voices on their videos. Today the voice sounds American, tomorrow it sounds robotic, next tomorrow it sounds like a cartoon. That inconsistency is one of the biggest signs of low effort content, which can land you inauthenticity in your content creation. Your voices should feel like they came from a real creator. That means you need consistent voiceovers, consistent editing styles, consistent storytelling, and original transformation. And when we're talking about transformation means for those people that are uploading content that people have already uploaded, yes, you can actually upload people's content, but you need to transform it. You need to add your voiceover. You need to teach something about the video you are uploading. You don't just lift the content from a page and then post it on your channel hook, line, and sinker without transformation, without adding your own editing, without adding your own message, without anything. You can use AI, but you have to create your own original scene, your own images, and your own voiceover. In the course of my research, I've discovered that your voiceover is always the same thing, and that is why in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a safe voiceover for yourself. No matter the niche you are, if you're on the tutorial niche, if you're on the AI tutorial niche, you're on the faceless niche, you're on the faceless niche, any niche you are, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a voice you can own, a voice you can be using in all your video. Because the major problem is that you are using different voices. You are doing a narration today and you are using this voice, and then you go to another AI tool, you are using another voice, different voices. And sometimes when you even get one voice in a particular video, in the course of your video the voice changes. So I'm going to go over to my screen right now and show you how you can actually clone your own voice and be using that one consistent voice in every of your video. There is no way you're going to get a reuse content. There's no way your voice is going to remain inconsistent across your multiple video uploads. Let's head over to my screen. Let me show you. I'm going to go to Google and search for minimalist AI and search for Minimax audio. Okay. So this is Minimax audio. Okay. This is Minimax audio. Ensure you take note of the logo. I'm going to click on the website. Okay guys, this is what the website looks like. Okay, now with this website you can literally input your text and it's going to turn your text to an audio. Okay, let's say for instance you're on the folktale, you're on the storytelling niche, or you create folktale stories and you have a script for your narrator. instead of going to a random AI generator to go and generate robotic voices, you can come to this website right here. Okay, first of all, you need to sign in. Once you come, you sign in, click on sign in, and then click on continue with Google. Now, you can come to this website and create your own unique voice that you're going to be using for your storytelling, for your narrators, for your folktale stories. All right. And anytime you generate your script, all you need to do is to come to this website, paste it there, and use your own voice. And the voice is going to be consistent across all scenes. Now, you're expected to choose an email. Okay. Just choose an email of your choice. I'm just going to choose this email here. Click on start creating. Now, one amazing thing about this tool is that it is totally free of charge, guys. It is totally free of charge, and upon signing up, you're going to be given 10,000 points. 10,000 points you can use to record as many voice as possible. Okay, so you can see now, if you come to this three horizontal line here, okay, you're going to be welcome to this interface, right? Okay, click on voice library. Now, if you click on this voice library, you're going to be welcome to over 10,000 voices. You can see over 10,000 voices, right? And the mistake a lot of people make that is landing them inauthentic content is that they can come to a website like this and then they just pick a voice. They just pick a voice from over 10,000 voices that are there, that other persons have also, just as I know this app, that is how other persons know this app as well. They will come to this app and pick a random voice there and use it for their narration. And once they use it for their narration, over 2,000 persons have used the same voice. Now, they are all sounding the same. Now, instead of doing it this way, in fact, before then, you can see library, you can see my voices, you can see collected voices. If you click on my voices now, okay, you can see Debbie's clone. This is Debbie's clone. This is a voice I created for myself. I used my voice. I created my voice myself, and then I cloned my voice here. So if at all I want to do any teaching with AI, all I need to do is to bring in my script, paste it here, and then I will tap on my own voice. I'm not using all those other voices I've shown you. I'm not using them. I'm going to be using my own voice, and by so doing, I am safe from inauthentic content, aside other things that follow that I'm going to be sharing in this video. This one I'm showing is just one of the major reasons that people are giving inauthentic content. Now let's go back. So tap on these three horizontal lines. I'm going to show you how you can create your own unique voice and use that voice. Nobody else is going to use that type of voice. Okay, so remember, you're doing this for totally free. Just you're going to see voice design. You're going to see voice clone. So just tap on voice clone. Okay. Tap on voice clone. Now, once you tap on voice clone, you're going to be welcome to this interface. You're going to see add or drop a file. You're going to see record audio. Now, for this add or drop a file, you can use your phone recorder. Record your scripts. Sorry, you can use your own voice. You can use your phone recorder. Record a 10 to 60 seconds. You can see whatever you're recording or whatever you're sending here has to be at least 10 to 60 seconds. Now, for this add or drop a file, I want to explain this thing as simple as possible so that you can actually understand. Add or drop a file. Pick your phone recorder. Everybody has a recorder in their phone, okay? Pick it, or if you have an external recorder, you can use it. Go to a very quiet environment. Say in a quiet environment that there's no external noise coming, okay? Even if you record and then there's an external voice, you can go to CapCut. Use CapCut. You can actually edit a clean audio on CapCut. And then after that, just record something. Record something for at least up to 10 seconds, or you can make it up to 20 seconds so that your voice is going to be there, so that there's going to be an evidence of your voice more, so that there's going to be more evidence of your voice, okay? Now, after recording it, you come here, click on add or drop a file. Now, click on photos and audios. Okay, tap on the three horizontal lines, select audio. Just locate where your audio is on your phone, select it and it's going to enter here. Okay, but if you don't want to do that, you can actually record directly here. Now, record something. Once you finish recording what you want to record, all you need to do is to come down here. Come down here, you select English. There's a lot of languages there, okay? Select your language, click on confirm. Now, on this text box, you're going to see a text box here. This text box here is just clean whatever is there. This text box is where you can actually input your scripts. Okay, input your script. Input your script and tap on this icon here. I'm going to be uploading a full tutorial. I don't know if I'm going to be uploading it before this one, but I'm going to be uploading a full tutorial on how to do this because I don't want this video to be long, but this is the whole process. After recording your voice, just type something here and then hit generate. It is going to generate a voice for you. After generating a voice for you, it is then going to bring a place where you can actually write your name the audio. And once you are done naming it, anytime you want to record your narration and everything, you just come there, you pick the particular voice that you have saved, and you are good to go. For more details of this, please do check out that video where I'm going to be showing you a full tutorial on how to do this and how to use it. Another way to avoid inauthentic content is to create content that are searchable. Topics like how to grow on YouTube monetization, storytelling, finance, tutorials and educational content usually perform very well in search and browse features. And once you have your topic, the next thing is scripting. This part is very important. Do not just copy script from ChatGPT and paste it directly without touching or without editing it. Add your own experiences. Do not use the words hook, line and sinker like word for word. Add your own emotions. For example, if you're teaching how to grow on YouTube, don't just say generic things. Add your own words, share your own experiences, share what you have been doing that actually help your channel to grow. Show your analytics, show your failure. Now, after scripting, the next thing is to generate your visuals. And this is where many people get reused content, especially on the storytelling niches. Now, what a lot of people do on these storytelling and folktale channels is that once they see a particular thumbnail that is getting a lot of views, they go ahead to generate the same thumbnail. It might not be exact the same thing, but there will surely be something to show that there's no difference between these two thumbnails, or this person copied from this person. Okay, you can actually be unique and different on YouTube and still make progress. It is not until you copy somebody else that you're going to make progress. YouTube wants uniqueness. YouTube wants you to stand out. Some people use same stiff images, robotic animations, lazy slideshow styles. For each of the AI videos you will be doing, ensure you generate different images. If it will take you to pay for your AI tools, please do. Because a lot of times, the reason why most people even get this inauthentic content is that they are focusing on free AI tools. And a lot of these free AI tools are very, very limited. It is only few AI tools that are not limited. And when you get to a point that you are not able to generate more images, you tend to use your older images and they are looking the same thing. If you're on the bedtime prayer niche, for example, and you have your narration, you have your prayer videos, you have your prayer text ready, all you need to do is to generate images. Okay, now I'm going to go to my screen and show you how you can actually generate images that matches each of your narrations. Okay, because normally I see that some persons use only one image in their narrations. I'll go to my screen right now and show you how you can actually create images that match your narrations. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me a script I can use for a bedtime prayer, and then I'll also tell it to give me image prompts that will follow my prayers. Now I'm on ChatGPT right now. I'm going to show you the prompt I sent to ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT that I want you to give me a short prayer from the book of Psalms, and give me image prompts that matches the prayer. Okay, I want the prayer to be 2 minutes long. The prayer should be 2 minutes long, and then give me images, different images that matches the things involved in the prayer. Now, I told ChatGPT that I want a prayer that is 2 minutes long, and the prayer should be from the book of Psalms, right? It can be from, now this one is particular for people that are doing bedtime stories right now, because some persons actually use a single scene. Okay, now I told ChatGPT to give me the prayer from the book of Psalm, and then I told it to give me different image prompts that matches each scene in the prayer. Okay, so this one is going to handle the issue of you using one image or two image for a whole 2-minute prayer. Now I'm going to take this script right now, so you can see it has given me the prayer. Okay, it has given me the prayer. Now I can either copy this. Okay, all you need to do is to copy this prayer right now, take it to your notepad, and then change some words, because some persons will also be another person may have asked ChatGPT to give them a prayer from book of Psalm. Okay, so all you need to do is to change some of the words. It doesn't have to be everything, because nobody has that time. Change some of the words, especially when it says Heavenly Father, you can say Dear God, you can say My Lord, My Savior. Here where it says according to Psalm 23, you can say from the book of Psalm 23. Just change it. Now after you must have changed it, just copy your script. I'm going to copy my script now. Okay, I will copy it. Let's assume I have changed it. I'll copy it and then I'll go to this minimax that I introduced to you. Okay, I'll come to minimax, click on the 3 horizontal lines, and then click on text to speech. Now once you click on text to speech, okay, you're going to see this. This is a text prompt. I'm going to paste this prompt right here. Remember, I told you I've already cloned my own voice on this app. So what I need to do right now is to look for my own voice. Okay, you can see, tap on it, tap on that place. You can see my own voice I've shown. I'll just click on my own voice. Once I select my own voice, I'm just going to hit on generate. And then once it is done, you hit download. Now, after downloading it, you go back to ChatGPT. You go back to ChatGPT, you can see the prompts. Now, for that prayer I just generated, you can see the image prompt for the prayer. Number 1, you can see image. You can see ChatGPT gave me up to 7 images. Okay, you can even tell ChatGPT to give you more than 7 images. Okay, you can tell ChatGPT to give you more than 7 images so that you can have a lot of images. Now, YouTube is saying you should avoid low effort content. So if you're saying, what time do you have to generate more than 7 images? For you to remain relevant on YouTube and for you to avoid all this inauthentic content, you need to work hard. Thank God for AI. AI is actually here to make our work easier. So do not just leave everything for AI. Also put in your own effort. Okay, I don't want to go on and start. I believe a lot of us know how to generate images. You can use any free tool of your choice. If you don't know how to generate image, I have a video on my channel where I taught a free AI tool where you can actually use to generate your image. Just check that. So just take each of these prompts. You copy, you send it to the AI tool. Or if you also want me to teach you how to generate images with free AI to drop at the comment section and I'll do this video. I believe if you do all of this, there is no way you're going to get reused content issue. There's no way you're going to get inauthentic content. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.